Hi friends, welcome to Bella Stitchery. Today's fast craft is all thanks to Amy on my Bella Stitchery Facebook page, who requested a tutorial on how to do these 3D Shadowbox frame looking scrapbook pages. So I'm gonna walk you through how to do it. It's really super easy. If you have any kind of packing material, it makes that kind of pop-up effect inexpensive and so much simpler to do. Today I'm gonna be using this 49 in Market collection. It's called Irrevocable Beauty. I feel like it's named after someone. I know, but maybe not. I don't know. They don't actually know me. So this is the collection. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Okay, first of all, I'm using this as soon as I turn that off because I love it and I love the colors. So this collection, there will be a link to this collection if you're interested in this paper. Check out my description here in this video and I'll have a link for that. It's so pretty, right? I just opened it today. I did a flip through of it also on Instagram and Facebook because, you know, when you get new paper, it's like so exciting. You need somebody to share it with. I mean, my kids love it too, but they just want to like cut it up and put marker all over it. This collection is deluxe. Their paper is so nice and thick. If you haven't used this brand before, it's really cool. Look at I just love this purple and kind of like this mossy green color. This is another one of those, same kind of idea. 49 Market has a lot of collections that have this kind of faux frame and it's level with the rest of the cardstock. So by cutting it apart, as you'll see, you could pop it up and give it some dimension and make it look really cool. So subscribe to my channel before we get started. Ring the bell. Let's go make stuff.